Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see the digital simulation of frequency response of series resonance circuit. This is the circuit diagram of series resonance circuit which we are going to see in this video. So what is resonance? Resonance is a tuned circuit which consists of the inductors and capacitors in the circuit. So when will the resonance occurs? The resonance occurs when the inductive impedance of the circuit is equal to the capacitive impedance of the circuit. So when both are equal in the series arrangement of the circuit, it will become a purely resistive circuit. So the impedance will be minimum in the series RLC circuit at resonance frequency, and the current will be maximum at the resonance frequency of the series resonance circuit. Here is the theoretical results of finding the resonance frequency. The formula to find the resonance frequency is 1 by 2 pi root LC. The value of L, that is inductor, is 30 millihenry, and the value of capacitor, that is C, is 0.1 microfarad. So when we substitute those values in the formula, we will be getting the resonance frequency as 2.9 kilohertz. Here is the simulation of frequency response of series resonance circuit. So let's start connect the circuit first. Here we have a resistors, inductor and capacitor are connected in series. I am using control R in order to rotate the circuit. And we have a voltage source. Let's connect the circuit using wire. Ground point is very important, so we should connect with the ground. Let's give the values. What is L value? L value is 3 millihenry. What is capacitor is 0.1 microfarad, and the resistor is 330 ohm. So here the voltage is 4 peak to peak, that is AC. Here we have in AC amplitude we are going to give 4 and phase is 0, so no need to give. So now we are going to run the circuit. What we are going to do? We are going to do the AC analysis. Using AC analysis, so that in order to get the x-axis as frequency, instead of getting normal time period. So here we are going to use linear sweep, and let's have it 100 points. So from 1000 to 5000 we are going to sweep, 1000 frequency to 5000 frequency hertz. So here we got the x-axis as frequency, which came in hertz, and now we are going to find the voltage across the resistor. So here we have decibels and phase. So we no need this phase angle, so let's delete this plot. Now here it came in dB, that is decibels. So what is the value? What at will be getting maximum? So the value of maximum voltage is comes at 2.9 kilohertz. So here in order to find the value of voltage, let's change this to linear. So when we change this to linear, we can able to see the value of voltage. So at what voltage? At 3.99 volt the frequency is maximum, so that is the resonance frequency. Now let also find the current flows through the resistor. So let's delete this plot, so it will be easy to. This is the current. So at what current the frequency, like at what frequency the current is maximum? So same at 2.9 kilohertz. The value of magnitude, that is current, is 12.11 milliamps. So we can also change this to logarithm, like decibels will be getting a gain value, that is will be getting in dB value. So this is the value of current and voltage, and we got how to find the resonance frequency. Like as we saw, during resonance frequency the current will be maximum. So at the resonance frequency is 2.9 and the current is maximum at only at that frequency. So the resonance frequency will be 2.9 kilohertz.